Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Forms add-ons. If you've been using add-ons to extend your Forms functionality but no longer need them, or if they're cluttering your workspace, removing them is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account credentials if you're not already logged in. This will take you directly to your Google Forms dashboard where all your forms are stored and organized. Now that you're on your Google Forms dashboard, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays the forms you've worked on most recently, making it easy to find what you need. Click on the form from which you want to remove add-ons. This will open the form in editing mode, giving you access to all its settings and features. With your form open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Get Add-ons. Even though we're removing add-ons rather than getting new ones, this is the gateway to managing all your installed add-ons. Once you're in the add-ons section, look for the Settings icon, which typically resembles a gear or cogwheel. Click on this icon and from the options that appear, select Manage Apps. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all the add-ons currently installed on your Google Forms account. Here you can see exactly what extensions are active and taking up space. In the Manage Apps section, browse through the list and select the specific app or add-on you want to remove. Once you've identified it, click on the 3 vertical dots located beside the app's name. This will open a small menu with additional options for managing that particular add-on. From this menu, click on Uninstall. This tells Google Forms that you want to remove this add-on from your account. However, before the removal is finalized, a confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen, asking you to verify that you really want to proceed with uninstalling the app. In the confirmation dialog, click Uninstall App to complete the process. The add-on will now be removed from your Google Forms, freeing up space and simplifying your workspace. You've successfully cleaned up your add-ons and removed unnecessary extensions from your forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.